How to fix iPhone apps freezing, crashing, or glitching issue. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Solution 1. Close all the apps that are running in the background. For that, swipe up in this way. With that, you're gonna find all the apps that are running in the background. Now you have to close all the apps. Just swipe up and delete. And close all the apps. Likewise, heading towards Solution 2, open your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General, get towards the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can offload or delete the unused apps. Likewise, enable for this option offload unused apps. Then head back, open this option Software Update. If any updates are available for your device, just update your phone software to its latest version. Then head back, heading towards Solution 3, scroll down, navigate to the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset All Settings. Now enter your password over here and continue with the process. Solution 4. Force restart your device. For that, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. Well, this way you can easily fix iPhone apps freezing, crashing, or glitching issue. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.